Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this is how to make money session on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce some app to you. I was going through online and I saw this app, so I have to quickly test it. And when I test it, it worked for me. So I came here to show you how to use this app to make a lot of money. This app is a survey app which can earn you a lot of money, like $200 per day, $300 per day. They just introduce some feature to it that is working for a lot of people, which I will also allow you to, or I will also ask you to try. I have tried it and then it worked for me. That is why I'm introducing this feature to you. So what this feature does is that it will allow you to go to the field and then take data, and after submitting it, they will pay you for your service. So one will even ask, how are they going to monitor you throughout this field program or taking the data on the field? What they do is they monitor you through GPS. So they will tell you the number of distance that you should travel, so that they will make sure that you are doing the right thing. So they will tell you that maybe travel 2 kilometers from where you are to this place and then take data. So as you are traveling, they will monitor you through a GPS, make sure that you are doing the right thing. So after taking the data, submitting it, then they will pay you for the service that you provided. But even on this app, when you access it, before you can participate in this survey program, they will ask you to watch some video on YouTube and then come back to the app, answer questions, so that they will know that you have some knowledge in the survey that you are going to take, or you can do the right thing. So when you answer the question, it will take like 24 to 72 hours for them to reply you. So when they reply you and then you qualify for this survey, then you are free to go, or you are about to make a lot of money. This app is making a lot of people rich, so I will recommend it to you so that you can also use this app to make a lot of money from it. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and then share, because I have a lot here for you. I have a lot in my book that I haven't even given you half. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share, so that I'll always come here to share my knowledge with you. The various means in which you can make money online. So without wasting my time, let's go to see how this app work and how you can even sign up for this app in order to make money with. So first of all, I'll start by showing you how to even install this app, and afterwards we'll now go to how to make money with the app. So first of all, let's see how we can even install the app. So what we'll do is we'll just go to Play Store. So the name of the app is called Premises. So you just type Premises here and then search for it. So this is the app. I've already installed the app. So after installing the app, one of the things that you need to do in installing app is, first of all, you have to look at the review, the number of people that has reviewed the app. And then if the number is good, then it means that the app is also at good. So after installing the app, you open. So basically, I have earned 25 pesos for signing up for the app. When I sign up, they gave me this money. I've earned 25 pesos. So anybody that sign up for the app, you earn 25 pesos, and you'll be able to withdraw the money when you get to 27 Ghana City. So you'll be able to withdraw the money when you get to 27 Ghana City. So basically, what this app does is it is just a survey app. So let's come to the tax. Have you seen this unpaid tax? There are a lot of unpaid tax here. So the first one I did was a survey app. So that one is a field survey. So I have already signed up for that one. I'm waiting for 24 hours, 24 to 72 hours, so that they will email me on um, whether I have qualified for the app, or I have qualified for the survey or not. So that one is a a field work. So you just go on field, get people, and then let them ask them question, and then they will answer you, fill some survey. After that, you submit it to the online and you make money. I've already told you how they will monitor you through the app. They will ask you to on your location, and then they will monitor you through your GPS. And also they won't ask you to take the survey in your area so that maybe you can just sit in the house and then enter anything and then submit it. They will ask you to move some distance and then take the survey. So as you move, they will monitor you to the GPS and make sure you do the right thing. After that, you submit it. So have you see this unpaid tax? Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, first of all, you have to unlock this, or you have to start this. So you just click on start. As you can see, complete this unpaid tax to select locate tax you would like to receive. You will be able to complete this tax monthly if you would like to change your preference. So you will be able to change the preferences monthly if you start up with this tax. So you just tap on start. So have you seen we could not fetch your okay, it has now opened. So I will just press on continue, continue. So you read the terms and condition and then all those things. So which of the following locate tax would you like to receive? A museum, hotel, and then other accommodation. So I'll go for accommodation and then currency exchange, internet cafes. So I'll go for internet cafe because I like online things, and then okay, so after that, I'll just press next. So, what is the main reason you did not select museum? They are not in my area. I don't feel safe going to museum location. These locations, I have never heard of this type of location before. So I'll just click. They are not in mine. So, what is the main reason you did not select cemeteries? They are not in my area. I don't feel safe going to. I have never heard of this. I don't feel safe. So you just answer them. They are not in my area. That is the exchange rate. I didn't feel that. So you just select them. Select them. So please explain why you did not select a currency this exchange rate. So you just explain to them maybe okay, let me explain to them. So I will say that I am not a fan of fund of currency exchange rate. So I'm just writing anything. So what is the main reason you did not set a fire station? So they will just ask you this kind of questions and then you explain them. So after explaining them or after explaining everything, you unlock. I don't want to go through this because it will make the video too long, which I don't like. So this is what you just do. So after doing this, you unlock the survey and then they will be sending you questions and then you'll be answering. But the first one I did was the on-field survey. That one it is very cool. With that one you can earn a lot of money. So and when you enter or when you get to the survey, what you need to do is you will have to come and then also your profile. You have to fill in your profile, your name, everything. You have to make sure that everything is intact so that you can also receive the surveys. Okay, so please download this premises app and then try it. It will help you make a lot of money. So have you seen, Harry, you unlock a new. So I have unlocked this already. So I'm just waiting for them to send me the messages and then I will just go on the field and then fill this or take this survey and then make a lot of money from it. But always make sure that your location is on because they tap you through the location. It's a nice survey app which I think you should, or I will like you to participate in this survey and make a lot of money from it. People are making a lot of money from this kind of apps. So what are you waiting for? Also try to make a lot of money from it. So I'll end here and then I will ask for you to subscribe for this YouTube channel or subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed, because I have a lot here for you. I'll be bringing you another banker on how to make money online. For me, I concentrate a lot on how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. So please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. because I have a lot for you. So without wasting my time, let's end here and then uh, talk about different things in my next video. Expect more in my next video. So